Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you are new to the channel, welcome. I hope you will stick around and subscribe. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making a pair of graduated height modern tea light holders. And so what you're going to need some of this clear diamond chain or room divider, crystal room divider from EFavormart. Also some silver or some white iridescent glitter, also from EFavormart. EFavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have EFavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. Now what you're going to need from Dollar Tree, you'll need a couple of graduated height tea light holders, or you can make them both the same size. You'll also need 2 of these asymmetrical tea light holders from Dollar Tree. I've got some Mod Podge here, and I'm also going to be using some hot glue on this project. Now if you'd like to make any of the components permanent, please use something like an E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will help to make it permanent. These are the items that I'll need in order to complete this beautiful project. If I decide to use any additional items, I will leave those in the description box below for you as well. Well, let's get started. Okay, you guys, didn't these elegant crystal tea light holders turn out absolutely beautifully? And they were so easy to make. Now keep in mind you can use whatever shape you like for your tea light holders. So if you can't find these asymmetrical tea light holders, you can use round or square, whatever you like. Let's go ahead and get started decorating with them. Well, there you have it, you guys. Another beautiful and super simple glam DIY. I hope you all will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads. Thank you all very much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.